Hello everyone. So in my previous video already I have explained about two types of this non-aqueous solvent. Now we have a protogenic solvent. So this protogenic solvent are acidic in nature and readily donate protons, and anhydrous acids such as hydrogen fluoride and sulfuric acid fall in this category. Because of their strength and ability to this donate protons, they enhance the strength of weak bases. After that, we have this amphiprotic solvents. These amphiprotic solvents consist of liquids such as water, alcohol, and weak organic acids, which are slightly ionized and combine both protogenic and protophilic properties in being able to donate protons and accept protons. This ethanoic acid displays acidic properties in dissociating to produce protons. Here you can see the reaction giving proton, and but in the presence of perchloric acid, as for a stronger acid it will accept a proton. So here you can see. This ethanoic acid ion can be very readily give up its proton to react with a base. So basic properties of a base is enhanced. So titrations between weak base and perchloric acid can often be accurately carried out using ethanoic acid as solvent. And after that we have a leveling solvent. These leveling solvents mean in general strongly protophilic solvents are important to force this equilibrium equation to the right, and this effect is so powerful that in strongly protophilic solvents, all acids act as a smaller similar strength. The converse occurs with strongly protogenic solvents, which cause all bases to act as they were of a similar strength. Solvent which act in this way are known as leveling solvent. So this is leveling solvent. After that, we had a acidometry in non-aqueous titration. So, in order to perform feasible titration of weak base, the solvent system should be selected specifically in such a fashion so as to eliminate as far as possible the competing reaction of water for proton besides enhancing the strength of the basic species. So, titration of weak base by non-aqueous titration should follow this point. So titrant, what is the titrant used? What is the preparation? How we need to prepare perchloric acid and need to standardize it, and solvent. What is the solvent we are using? And some practical example of weak base along with the indicators. Then and typical example of assay of weakly base substance that is ethylene hydrochloride. Then titrant, you can use solution of perchloric acid in either glycolic acid or dioxin solution is used for the titration of weak base. Generally, perchloric acid with a normality of 0.1 normal to 0.05 normal is used. Thank you.